Good day to all. Welcome to another episode of SG Dr. Wellness. I'm Coach Alvin. Protein is one of the macronutrients that is essential for our bodily functions. Get to know more about the benefits of protein by clicking on the link above. Generally, protein helps to burn fats and control hunger, promote lean muscle growth, enhance strength, and helps with muscle recovery. Protein can be found in many of our foods and especially so in salmon, chicken breast, soy-based food sources, eggs, and nuts. Protein bars, on the other hand, have been gaining quite a bit of popularity amongst consumers, mainly due to its convenience, tastiness, and health benefits. In this episode, we will look into the top 4 reasons why protein bars might be good for you and how you can potentially consider this as meal replacement for some of your meals. If you have not yet subscribed to us, please hit the subscribe button now. Let's go! Top 4 reasons why protein bars might be good for you. Okay, so number 1, it is high in quality protein on the go. Each bar can contain high quality proteins at levels similar to that of chicken breast, gram for gram. Being conveniently packed in compact, easy to bring around packaging, these bars can offer a quick protein fix anytime, anywhere, and most importantly, hassle-free. A quick tip is to actually check on the nutrition panel of the brand of bars that you're interested in and take notice of the protein content some bars can have, because some bars can actually have protein levels as high as 30 grams per serving. These high protein bars can serve as great pre- and post-workout snacks to boost muscle growth and promote recovery. Number 2, it helps lose weight. Protein is known to help in fat metabolism and hunger control. Another potential weight loss benefit is that some bars offer considerable amounts of fiber. Fiber helps with satiety levels, meaning it can keep individuals fuller over a longer period of time. Many of these bars are also pretty low in calories, with each serving estimated to be about 180 to 200 kilocalories. For those who are looking for a satisfying snack without the worry of exceeding your daily caloric intake, then look no further. Number 3, may actually be a meal replacement option. There are certain protein bars designed to double up as meal replacement. These bars are typically enhanced with a whole host of vitamins and minerals infused in one serving. Even though they qualify to replace meals, it is important to note that before considering such options, please consult a nutritionist or healthcare provider to assess the suitability of such an arrangement. Advice will be to only use these bars to replace certain meals, but still consume whole nutritional foods for others. Last but not the least, it can actually be quite affordable. Depending on the brand and types of bars, each bar can cost an average of about Sing dollars $2.50 to $4.50. Prices per piece tend to be cheaper if they are bought in a box of 6 or 12. As there is a pretty wide range of pricing, do pick the brand that best fits your budget. Take into comparison the cost of a midday tea time snack of a slice of maybe a chiffon cake with coffee. The price of one protein bar can either be cheaper or actually comparable. So here are some of the things to note when purchasing your protein bars. Firstly, take note of the sugar levels. Some bars can contain quite a bit of added sugar, with some having sugar levels that can be as high as 12 to 17 grams per serving. When browsing through the nutritional label and ingredient list, keep a keen eye on the added sugar component. Do take note of the allergens. There are some protein bars that contain nuts and other ingredients that can potentially cause allergic reactions. Similarly, do take note of the ingredient list and advisory notice on the package before purchasing and consuming, just to make sure that it is suitable for you. Check the reviews. Before purchasing, check reviews and ratings for the brand and flavor. Not all protein bars are made the same, and some bars might not be as delectable as others. Do your research online and ask your friends before splashing out money on your next purchase. Alright, we have come to the end of this episode and hope that you have learned more about how protein bars can actually potentially help you achieve your fitness goals. Till the next time, stay safe and stay healthy.